Welcome to week 17. You're getting closer to the halfway mark of your pregnancy and your baby is growing at an incredible rate. This week, we'll dive into all the exciting ways your little one is developing, like how your baby is moving more than ever. They're flipping and rolling around. And while you may not feel those acrobatic moves just yet, it won't be long before you do. Plus, the umbilical cord is getting stronger, preparing to carry all the essentials to your growing little one. We'll also talk about something kind of fun, baby registries. Woo, it's never too early to start, and there's actually a lot of great options out there that we'll discuss.
Partners, you can get involved in the baby registry fund as well, and we're going to talk about some baby gear and items that were created specifically for you. We're Ben and Jessica Lagrone, creators of the Balanced Birth Class for Couples. We're here to help guide you through all the exciting developments this week. Let's get started.
At week 17, your baby is the size of a small hardcover book. Your little one is getting more and more active this week, even more than the previous weeks, flipping, rolling around in your belly. Can you feel those little acrobats yet? If not, don't worry. It won't be long before you start noticing some cartwheels and somersaults. I know I noticed pretty late with my first pregnancy, but with my third pregnancy, I actually started feeling movements around like week 13. So kind of wild. You'll be feeling them before you know it. There is so much happening inside your baby right now. Baby's heart is now pumping about 100 pints of blood every single day, working hard to fuel all that growth. And speaking of tiny details, those adorable little toenails are forming on those tiny toes. I don't know why, that's just so cute. Also, the umbilical cord is getting stronger and thicker, ensuring that baby gets all the nutrients and oxygen they need. By the time you reach the end of your pregnancy, that umbilical cord will be about 9 inches long. I kind of have a fascination with umbilical cords, I'll be honest. I love looking at them after my doula clients deliver, with their permission, of course. Your baby is growing fast, and so are the changes happening in your body. Let's talk about it. With only 3 weeks to go until you're halfway through your pregnancy, it might be a great time to start thinking about your baby registry if you haven't already. If you haven't started yet, you've still got plenty of time, but you're probably feeling energetic and comfortable, and the second trimester is a great time to begin. Creating a baby registry can help you get all the essentials ready for your little one, and it's a fun way just to plan for baby's arrival. Plus, it's a good way to share some of the fun with your partner. Here are some popular places to sign up for a registry. On Amazon, you can actually get a 10% completion discount if you're a Prime member, so that's pretty cool. Target, you enjoy a welcome kit with free samples. I used to love those. Plus 15% off remaining registry items after your due date. That is awesome. Babylist. Babylist is probably my favorite. It's the best registry for adding items from any store or website, so you can have all of your favorites in one place. And then Walmart, they also offer a welcome box with free samples to kick off a registry. And if you have an IKEA near you, they have staged nursery rooms, and you can set up a registry there, and it's really quick and easy. Here's a little bonus tip. You can add any of our classes, like the Balanced Birth Class for Couples, actually to your Babylist registry. You just install their quick save button, and it takes like no time at all. I love this feature because while I really wanted baby gear, of course, when I was pregnant, I also really wanted to invest in education for birth and postpartum. So take time building your registry, have fun with it, and remember, this is just one more way to get ready for the big day ahead.
Partners, this is your chance to get involved in the baby registry process. And a lot of guys, they love this because they like gear, right? Registering for baby gear and postpartum items with mom, it's fun, it's exciting, and it's a way to just get you thinking about your little one more after they're born. So if you're unsure what to add to the registry, here are some unique and practical ideas that you'll enjoy too. Okay, here's an idea: getting yourself a manly diaper bag, or at least one that's more neutral, because you deserve a stylish and a functional bag too as you're walking around doing your dad thing, all right? Next is a baby carrier that fits dad specifically, and this is more comfortable for him. It's perfect for carrying your little one on walks, at the park, or around the house. Next, a backpack hiking carrier. This is really popular for dads who love the outdoors. It's ideal for taking your little one on those family adventures once your baby's a little bit older. Another thing you can register for, not just online classes like we mentioned earlier, but also parenting books, because learning how to be a great parent is always a good idea. Next, baby clothing that mentions dad, has cheesy dad jokes. I love that stuff. Showing off your parenting pride with some of that stuff is just awesome and really popular among dads. Next, you can register for baby essentials kits for daddy duty, okay? So everything you'll need for those diaper changes, feedings, and more. Everything you need to take baby away from mom, give her a break, and just make sure you've got all the stuff that you need. This is a fun way to ensure you're both prepared for a baby's arrival, and you'll be able to contribute some personal touches to the registry that reflect your own style and needs. Plus, I mean, admittedly, shopping's fun, even for guys.
It's true.
All right, here are your reflection questions for this week. Number 1, what's a totally unnecessary baby gadget that we secretly want to buy just because it looks fun? And number 2, what's one adventure or experience you dream of having with your baby when they're old enough? So happy shopping, discuss those, have some fun. We'll see you next week.
See you later.